UX enhancements. We made a number of enhancements to the user experience. And then another one that is was the ability to open automations in a new tab or new window. So this is now turned from a clickable object into a hyperlink so that you can, for example, edit multiple automations in different tabs to make the same change to a set of automations. So let's take a look at some of these. So first, I'll show you that I can edit multiple automations. You can see, look at that. Look at all those tabs opening up. And this is a clickable hyperlink, so I can open it in a new window or any of the other functions here. And then that also means that we are preloading the automations. So for customers who do have some lag time, I know it's less of an issue now than it used to be, but it lets us edit all of the automations. So that is a very nice to have enhancement.